In this video, we delve into the often overlooked downsides of wind energy, exploring the high costs, low efficiency, and environmental repercussions of this popular renewable resource. While wind energy is frequently lauded for its clean power potential, we will uncover the financial burdens associated with its implementation and maintenance. Additionally, we'll discuss the challenges of energy storage, public perception, and land use, providing a comprehensive look at the complexities surrounding this seemingly green solution. Join us as we investigate the hidden truths behind wind energy and its impact on our economy and environment. Understanding the financial burden. Implementing wind energy is not a pocket-friendly venture. The construction of wind turbines requires significant financial investments. For context, building and maintaining a wind farm can involve staggering costs that are often underestimated. Equipment, land, permits, and ongoing maintenance contribute largely to these expenses. Like any substantial investment, returns on wind power can take years to materialize, which can be a deterrent for potential investors. Moreover, government subsidies often support these ventures, drawing taxpayer money towards an industry still struggling for economic supremacy. The quest for efficiency. Efficiency can be the make or break factor, and wind energy is often criticized for falling short. Wind turbines produce energy that depends heavily on weather conditions. A calm day can mean low energy output, which contrasts with the constant energy demands of modern society. This inconsistency necessitates backup systems, usually reliant on traditional fossil fuels, to stabilize the energy supply. The ideal wind day might seem elusive, and the energy produced annually often falls short of expectations, presenting a core disadvantage within the realm of wind power. Unexpected environmental impact. Ironically, while aiming to save the environment, wind energy has its environmental liabilities. Wind turbines can disrupt local wildlife, particularly bird and bat populations. The towering blades, appearing innocuous at first glance, are perilous for airborne creatures. Likewise, the noise pollution created can affect both fauna and humans living nearby. Additionally, the manufacturing process of turbines involves materials and processes that are not environmentally benign, leading to an environmental footprint that's often overlooked. Space consumption and land use. Wind farms require expansive areas for optimal operation, akin to a sprawling field of gigantic metallic flowers. This spatial need can lead to the use of agricultural land or displacement of native ecosystems. Rural areas, often seen as prime locations for wind farms, might end up paying the cost of progress. Communities in these regions may feel the impact on their landscapes and question the balance between energy development and land preservation. The challenge of energy storage. The storage of energy remains a complex puzzle for the wind industry. When the wind is productive, capturing and storing that energy for later use is not as straightforward as one might hope. Current storage technologies are costly and often inefficient. Batteries, though advancing, still don't fully solve the excess energy problem. The necessity for effective storage systems shadows the wind sector's ability to provide a reliable energy solution. Public perception and acceptance. Wind farms might be celebrated by some, but others view them skeptically. The iconic silhouette of wind turbines on the horizon can spark a range of responses from awe to aversion. For certain communities, the visual intrusion on landscapes presents a challenge to acceptance. There are balancing concerns over noise, flickering shadows, and the general change to familiar vistas. Engaging with these communities to foster acceptance is a lengthy, complicated endeavor that the wind industry continually grapples with. Job creation versus automation. While the wind energy sector can create jobs, it doesn't always mean sustained employment opportunities. Installation and initial setup stages require significant manpower. However, once operational, the maintenance can often be handled through automation and technology. This shift can result in fewer long-term positions, deflating the initial promise of job creation. The nature of work might also require specialized skills, limiting local employment opportunities unless rigorous training programs are implemented. Economic viability and market fluctuations. The renewable energy market is as volatile as the winds themselves. While wind power has the potential to impact energy prices, its susceptibility to market fluctuations remains concerning. Energy buyers and consumers seek consistency, and the unpredictable nature of wind cannot always provide it. Additionally, competition with other renewables and carbon-based energies can intensify market dynamics, sometimes challenging wind power's economic viability. Potential investors and stakeholders remain wary, seeking clarity amidst the financial turbulence. These points highlight why it's necessary to delve deeper into the intricacies of wind energy. Each facet bears weight on the industry's future and the environmental ethos that it purports to uphold.